What is going on, guys? Today is the second day that I'm gonna be removing the BMW engine, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so I have disconnected everything, all the wire harness. I took off the manifold just so I can get easier access to the fuel line and everything like that. Now I'm just going around and making sure I have everything disconnected. Right now I have to take off the power steering, the hose, and empty it out into like a safe container. Then I'm gonna have to remove the transmission mounts and try to pull this thing out. So there's no exhaust anymore. I loosened the drive shaft. I was gonna do these 3 bolts. It's 3 bolts, but then I thought about it and I was just gonna go ahead and send it like this. So if it can't come out like this with just the other 3 bolts undone, then I'll go ahead and loosen these ones up right here. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the transmission mount. I'm pretty sure it's these bolts right here. 1, 2, 3. It's like, I think like 6 or something. And then I'm gonna put the jack underneath with a piece of wood right here, just so it doesn't damage anything. This is plastic right here. So I dropped the transmission a little bit, and this one actually just slipped out just like I thought it would. So now we're actually just gonna take off the shift linkage over there on the other side, and then a couple more wires to the other part, or it's actually right here. Yep, it's actually right here. I thought it was on the other side. Okay, so let's take this off. Alrighty guys, there you guys have it. Oh my god. Wow. It was pretty hard. Yep, let me just show you how it came out. The whole harness came out, the transmission. I'm not even gonna lie guys, this thing was so heavy. So heavy. I would probably recommend somebody helping you, or take off the transmission first and do it in 2 separate parts, because the whole thing, dang, I did not expect that. This thing is probably like so light now. I don't know, to be honest, I can probably carry this all the way to the junkyard in my back. Nah, I'm kidding guys. But yes, definitely this is so heavy. I don't know how heavy this could be, but that tranny, oh my god. I'm definitely gonna do the opposite next time. I'm gonna remove the tranny first and then the engine, not the whole thing together. It was actually my first time actually taking a BMW engine out. Like, yeah, I've probably never done one before, and this one, dang, I did not expect that. It's like, it's always like so crowded, you can barely even move in there, I swear. Alrighty guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.